This portable Bluetooth keyboard is super awesome. I love using this. So there are a couple of reasons why. One of them is because it's just portable, right? It's Bluetooth portable. It's so small. You see right here, this is my mouse. This is pretty much considered a small mouse, and this is the size of that keyboard. The portability is good if you're traveling or if you're lazy and you want to sit back in a recliner and watch a movie on your computer or whatever, or do some work on computer. You can use this on your lap. So that works really well. It's backlit, and you can change the lighting functions with this button right here, one touch. It works really well. Another feature you would like to is that you can use this with Samsung DeX or some sort of mobile setup. If you have Samsung phone, you can set this up as the keyboard, and here's the mouse you can use with that too, and make that a portable desktop setup on the go. Another thing is it's easy to connect. You click the connect button and the Bluetooth will appear on your computer or whatever device you're trying to connect it to. So keep in mind, when you try and connect it, it'll just show up as Bluetooth keyboard. So it doesn't really identify its brand or the model. It just says Bluetooth keyboard, and that's the one you're gonna look for when you try to connect this on your device, whether it's your phone, your computer, your laptop. Look for that. So if you want to compare the size, right? This is my main keyboard. It's kind of like a gaming style keyboard, and this is about half of that size. So in terms of typing, here are the sounds. If you're just typing normally, it should be very quiet. And here we have a document page, and I'm just gonna type some stuff, and it works fine. Yeah, so the portability is one, the size is another one, and the lighting really does help. If you're using this in the dark or far away, it actually does help. It's very thin, so just keep that in mind. This can flex a lot if you were to put it somewhere in your backpack. Just consider that it's not the thickest product, and it's super affordable.